instance again, and I'm going to copy this name, this same name, copy, no, undo, copy, launch an EC2 instance. The name will be 3, the third one. I choose Ubuntu. I'll make sure that is free tier. I use the same public key that I've used today. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to create a new one. And I'll launch this EC2 instance. While it's launching, I will come and find the IP address. So I need that. Where is the machine? Where is the machine? Where are you? It's pending there. Okay, the third one. Come and find the IP address. That's all I need now. I'll go to my Cloud9. I'll make sure that I move the key that I already have for my GitHub to that machine. I'll put the private IP safe here, so I don't have to go to AWS again. And to move it, this is the command I'm going to run. All I have to change now is the IP address. That's it. All I have to change is the IP address, because we know that this command works perfectly. All I have to change is the IP address in the same location, making sure that you are in this location. I'm just going to change the IP address. Let's wait a little bit for the instance to get to a stage where it's ready to be connected to. Initializing, let me see. Sometimes if you check the alarms, it's still initializing, but I think you can still connect to it. So let's go. And it's asking for handshake, and it has moved it 100%. It's gone. So I'm going to copy this first command that we did. Okay, that's the first command. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll go and connect to the machine. We can connect from this same shell, but I normally use different shells so that it's easy. So I'm going to connect to this same machine. And what do I have to do? Change the IP address again. The same command, change the IP address. So when we are creating the script, we know that we're going to do variables. We're going to collect arguments. The one that is changing more is what? The IP address of the machine. So the script needs to be able to run for each IP machine. So we'll do it in a way that it will ask you for the IP address of the new machine, and everything else will be the same. Yeah. So, and I'm in the machine. I'm in the machine. Okay. I'm in the machine. So now I've created a new one. I have moved the file to the temp, and I'm in the machine. Simple. Now I'm going to pull the code to this location in the machine. I have the command. So let me also copy this command. It's the next command that we run. Oh no, edit. Oh, okay. What's his name? Allow edit now. Yeah, that's the second command. And now we're going to run the third command, which is the git one. Yeah. This one, I think we don't need to change anything. Oh, yes, we need to run the next command. 4 commands in the end. One more is chmod 400, and the file should be in temp, and it's called personalized keys. This command needs to be run, because we know that when you move it, it changes for some reason the permissions. Think there's something you can do to make sure that the copy command will not change the permissions when the file comes here. Okay, but that's not the scope here. Now that we've got the project and the file is there, we just then run this command, git ssh. The file is still sitting in temp. We haven't moved it anywhere, and we are connecting to this. Remember, we've already done this, so it should work. Simples. Okay. And voila. It's obviously asking for handshake. With the handshake as well, when you're scripting, you're not going to be there. So there's a parameter there's an argument that you can pass to accept the handshake, because when you're doing a script, you're not going to be always there to accept handshakes. So the script needs to be able to accept the handshake in your favor. Okay. So that's it. And the thing is here, ls, and the project is here. So all we've done, create an EC2 and pull the project into that EC2. We are not going to install it today. Any questions?
Not from my end.
Are you tired, or you want us to continue? Do you want us to write a script to do this for us, or do it tomorrow?
Let us digest it for today. So tomorrow.
All right, digest it for today, and then tomorrow we'll be scripting this. If anybody can surprise me and have a script by tomorrow that will use these 4 commands and pull this code to any EC2 instance that we create, all you need to do is to tell it the IP address of the EC2 instance, the location of the file to copy, and so on and so forth. And the script, whenever you pass in a new IP address, it will copy it, run it, and copy it. It will be cool. That's what we're going to try and achieve tomorrow by scripting. And then when we finish, we will then use scripting again to deploy the application. So you run the command, it takes 10 minutes. You run the script, it takes maximum 10 minutes, and all you need is the IP address and the application is deployed. Power of scripting. See you tomorrow, guys.
So I'm going to share the video with us today.
Yeah.